Hi guys, it's Shipbase here, and this is 7315. It is a Promenade internal view on Independence of the Seas. So as you come in, you have all the information on the back of your door about your muster station. You have a light there. Then you have the wardrobe. So we have actually unpacked. It didn't know there was much storage, but we have fit everything for a 12-night cruise. So you have all the like cubby hole things, you got stuff up here, you got lots of hanging. We put just a pile of shoes there. You have your life jackets in this one. I don't think they were in the new one when I was on it in September. Then you have some hooks here, which we put some of our jumpers. In here you have the bathroom. Quite okay size shower. You have toilet, and then you've got more storage under here, and you also have storage in here as well. Nice size bathroom. Yep, just a basic standard size cruise ship bathroom. Then you have a full length mirror here. Then you have some more storage here and a TV. You can put stuff here. We've got Uno and our hats and my book. Then you have the bed here. You've got two bedside tables. The phone has a USB in it, so you can use it to charge. Apart from that, there is no plugs by the side of the bed. And you do have a light here. I don't know if it's got a little damage there, and they put just like a plaster or tape. Yeah, the ship is getting old now. They didn't refurb the rooms last time they refurbed the ship, but the rooms seem to be holding out for the age of ship. Then you got a sofa here, and then you got like a sofa here built into the window, and then here is the table and desk area. So you have more storage in here, very small, like really, like it literally fits a pack of cards, and that is about it. Then you've got some more sockets here, more storage here, got some Lego. Then you've got you also do have drawers, I didn't say, drawers under there as well, which have the hairdryer, and we've moved it, but it has a hairdryer and some tissues in. Again, you have storage here, you have the lights, kettle, because we're going from the UK, and then in this last one you have the mini fridge, which we put the bottles of water we've been given, and we've just got the hairdryer down the side as well. So, yeah, so this is a promenade view. We have a view over Cafe Promenade. So here's the view of down below. Yeah, we've just embarked in Southampton. So yeah, this is cabin 7315 on Independence Seas. If you have any questions about the cabin, please do put in the questions in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have about this room. Thank you for watching. It's me, Shipbase here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.